Can you check call history on Instagram? What is up, everybody? In today's tutorial, we're going to see if you are able to check call history on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. So, the very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you just want to head over to your messages section or your DM section where your chats are located, and you will be able to see the call section right here on any chat. So if you want to check call for any particular chat, you can just scroll up to check the calls. So you can just tap here and check for calls from here. But you used to be able to check for entire call history on Instagram. They have recently removed it on the recent updates. You used to have a little button right here besides the new message button, and you could tap there to check for updates. But if that update is still available on your region, then you can just find it right there on top. But if you don't see it, then that means Instagram has removed it on its recent updates. So unfortunately, you cannot check the entire call history on Instagram. You can only check some specific calls that have been made on your chat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.